はるかです。今日はよくあるシチュエーションの空港というところで、私が一人で初めての使いかのように空港でいろんなミッションをこなせるかどうかっていうのをチャレンジしていきたいと思います。
はい、今回ですね、シチュエーションとしてはロサンゼルス国際空港。
ロサンゼルス国際空港。はい。
はい、チケットに困ったりとか迷子になったりっていうシーンを3つ用意してますので、
頑張ります。Excuse me?
Yes, how can I help you?
I reserved 17:45 to Narita, right?
Flight
But-
7945. I'm sorry, it has just left.
行っちゃった？
It has just left. The flight
Okay.
is gone.
I reserved that, right? But I wake up later, so I
I see.
missed flight.
Yes.
Can you change the flight?
Well, let me see what we have available. What is your name?
HARUKA wake
Yes, I see your reservation here. Let me see what we have available.
available.
What we have available? Oh, yes, we have another flight. It's not to Narita. It's to Tokyo's Haneda Airport.
Haneda.
Yes, it's flight
Okay.
7925, departing at 5:15 or 1500 hours. 5:15 p.m.
5:15.
5:15.
Okay. Now 1 o'clock. Before 1 o'clock now.
I'm sorry, we don't have any other flights to Tokyo until 5:15. That's the earliest flight.
More earlier は no.
No, it just left. Yeah. We
No
could-
United, JAL, ANA, no flight.
I don't know the other airlines. You'll have to check with the other airlines for that. We are just United here. But we
Okay.
do have a United flight to Haneda Airport, flight 7925, departing at 5:15 p.m.
Oh, yes.
I can switch your reservation to that flight for a small fee of $100.
Yeah, I can change it to 5:15
Yes.
flight.
Yes.
$100.
Yes, that's right.
Okay, let's go.
Very good. May I see your passport and a credit card, please?
Here is my passport.
Okay.
My credit card.
Very good.
100って100 yen. 100
It's $100.
dollars.
Yes.
いくらなんだろう。
Excuse me?
Okay. No, thank you. No, thank you じゃない。
Do you want me to cancel the-
No. Go ahead.
Okay.
Okay.
Here's your ticket, your boarding
Thank you.
pass. Leaving from gate number 15.
15.
Yes, at 5:15. So please go through the security check at least 1 hour before the flight leaves.
Okay.
I'd go through the security check at about 4 o'clock or sooner.
Before 4 o'clock.
Yes. Go through the security gate.
Security gate.
Yes,
Okay.
and go to gate number 15.
15 gate.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
You're very welcome. Thank you for flying United.
アラフォーイングリッシュ。
Excuse me. I'm lost. Tell me how to get to gate to Haneda Airport.
I guess we need to know which gate. What? Let me see your ticket, please.
15.
Gate number 15.
15.
Oh, that's no problem. Yeah, you'll have to go back down this hallway here.
Hallway.
This hallway, yes. Walk straight along this hallway to the end, to the T, and then turn left.
Turn left.
Yes, and then you keep walking all the way, and you will see gate 15 on your right.
Okay, thank you.
You understand?
Yes, go straight and turn left and right side.
Yes, turn left and keep walking a long way. It's a
Long
good.
way.
It's about a 10-minute walk. from
Oh,
here.
very walk.
Yes, and I see your flight is at 5:15. It is now 4:45. I think you better get going.
And sorry. I want to go to bathroom before 15 gate. Before I aboard.
Oh, I see. Yes, on your way, there is a toilet.
Okay.
It is on your left-hand side.
Left hand side.
Yes. Just walk straight up here, and there is a toilet on your left.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank
Good
you.
luck. Good luck.
Thank you.
アラフォーイングリッシュ。
Excuse me.
Hi.
Is this seat taken?
Yes.
Oh.
ソーリーいいのかな。はい、ということで空港でよくあるシーンをやらせていただきました。実際やってて分かんなかったのまず振り替えをお願いします。飛行機を振り替えてくださいっていうのは正しくは何て言えばよかったですか？
I think you should say, I want to change my flight.
Change my flight.
Yes.
I want to change my flight.
Yes. Or I have to change my flight.
変えなければいけない。I have to change my flight.
Yeah. I missed my flight and I have to change my flight.
寝坊しちゃってみたいな。
I overslept and I need to book a later flight.
overslept。で、今回は寝坊、overslept だったと思うんですが、多分可能性があるのはトランジットだったんだけど、前の飛行機が着くのが遅れちゃって、もうトランジットするやつが行っちゃってるんだけどどうしようっていうのもあると思うんだけど、そういう時はなんて説明すればよいですか？
Airplane has come late, so you've missed your connecting flight. Well, you would say, my airplane was delayed.
Delay.
My airplane was delayed.
My airplane was delayed.
And I missed my connecting flight.
Connecting flight.
Can I change my ticket to a later flight? Is there a later flight that I can change to?
Is there
a later flight that I can change to?
Is there a later flight that I can change to?
Yes.
アラフォーイングリッシュ。
あと道を聞くところのシーンでなんか私ちょっとボーディングとアボーディングとアブローディングどれか分かんなくなっちゃう。飛行機に乗るっていうのは
To board an airplane.
board.
Yes.
そうだから I want to go to bathroom before I boarding.
I board.
I
Before I
board.
board, yes.
aboard は
Well, it's abroad.
abroad
海外。
海外最後のあれはなん私ここの席空いてるって聞いたでしょ？
Yes. The question was, is this seat taken?
taken.
Yeah, I guess if you would say it in Japanese, is この席は取られてますか？
だから私が yes って言ったから
Yeah.
そうか I mean this is empty seat.
Yes. You meant to say, yes, go ahead. Right? But the question was, is this seat taken?
取ってますかって聞いてるから、yes って言ったら取ってますって言ってるから言っちゃったんだ。
That's right.
なるほど。これでも多分思うよね。Is this seat taken って言われたら
空いてるみたいな。
空いてるってなんかちょっとこうシート支えてこうやってやられたら空いてるって言われたと思うよね。
In Japanese, you would say 空いてますか？
そうね。
ちゃんとリスニングができてないとtake あれば、なんか取られてるっていうふうには受け取れるけど、
そうか。
take とか
取ってもいいみたいな感じに思ったから、どうぞどうぞ、もう yes みたいな感じ。
反射的にね。
なるほど。
It's very common to say, is this seat taken?
Is this seat taken? ちょっとこれ覚えておいた方がいいですね。はい。ということで空港のシーン勉強になりました。また次の動画でお会いしましょう。See you! Bye!
Bye.